We are steaming wood to prepare the boat. What we've got is 4 lengths of strips of timber. We've wrapped it with a towel and we're pouring boiling water over it, and it's clamped to the old form, and we've done this side already. And what we should do, leave it overnight, and then we'll be able to take out the old timber and replace it with the new. This process of steaming is very, very simple and very easy. You don't need any special equipment, just a kettle of hot water or a couple of kettles. We've got 2 kettles, one boiling and one we're using, so we can keep it going. The secret is to do it slowly, and slowly the bending. In a minute we'll start to pull it over, but we'll do it very, very gradually. This will take about half an hour, 3/4 an hour before we're able to fully pull this over, and we'll be moving that towel along as we go.